everyone, and a special hello to you that's watching this video. Today I'm going to show you, I'm going to make a vest or a t-shirt and little pants for the little baby. I know I said I'm going to make only one or two outfits, but I actually love making clothes for this little one. And with this easy pattern I've got, it's so easy to make something for her. And the method I got, so yeah, I've decided to make some more clothes. A girl can never have too much clothes now. But first I want to show you something quick and easy to make it go with this outfit. On this piece I cut out of the sock, there's most this little ribbing piece, so I thought, well, that's perfect actually for a hat for the little baby. So I'm just going to measure it around the head to see how long it must be, and it's stretchy, and okay, it's almost there. So I'm just gonna put in a needle, a pin, so I can now, okay, there it is. So, and then I'm somewhere going to cut it off right there, so I know. Okay, then that can work. So, and then I've got a measurement, so I'm gonna somewhere just cut it right through there where I want. And this, so that I won't need. So obviously turn it inside, right side in. If you finish with cut it along the side, you can just sew it. I'm also just I'm going to use needle and thread and do an overhand sew on the side here. And like that. First I'm just going to do it alongside the little ribbon piece until where the ribbon stops, so that I can just measure how long it must be to fit over head for to close it. Okay, so there you go. It's now nice and cozy over the head, and it's about just, well, there it ends. So I'm going to just cut off that piece there where that's a bit too long. Okay, and then I'm going to finish sewing it close. Okay, so when I come to the end, I'm just gonna, like normal, just more quickly just end it off, and then open it up and just do a threading through the whole thing that's just close to the edge there. Just going to do a threading all around. Until I'm here at the back again, and just then I just pull it close and I just end it off. There we go. And just turn it inside out, and there's a little beanie hat that match her outfit. And there you go. Isn't that too cute? Quick and easy I'll say. Okay, so now to the actual thing I wanted to show you today is the pants and the shirt. So for the shirt, I'm just going to use normal, I've got white t-shirt. I will cut it out off a sleeve of one of my t-shirts. Just fold it over the right side on the inside, just fold it in two, and then you use your pattern you've got and you just put it on the fold on top, and then you must just decide where you want your shirt to end. So this is the inside of the pants, so I think I'm just a little bit shorter on top of the where the inside of the pants ends. So mark, gonna sort of mark on the pattern as well, so I can know for next time as well. That's how I want my shirts. So just keep it on a line, and then you just go all around the lines again like normal, like you do with all the other patterns. And there you go, and then you just make your line obviously for the shirt where it ends. Okay, so I've got this little piece of lace here that will actually fit in by the pants that I'm going to make with this little shirt. So I'm going to just put it here just underneath the arms, almost on the edge of the, but now that must go on the inside of the shirt. And just make sure the right side is up. So it goes on the inside of the shirt, just underneath the arms. Let me just see. Yeah, it's almost right. Okay, so I'm just going to use a little bit of the tacky glue I've got, just to keep it in place. So just put a small little dot on each of the flowers. Just make sure that will help and keep it where it must be. Almost here, that's it. Just underneath the arms. Let's see. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah. Okay. So then I'm just going to put everything together again, and as usual I'm just going to use my machine to sew around the edge of the arms. So this side must be open and nearby the arms must be open. So I'm just quickly, I showed you before how you just sew on the line, hand sew or machine sew. I'm still going to use my machine quickly, so I will be back. I will show you now when it's finished. So yeah, I'm back. So I sew around the edges. So now I'm just again going to cut it. Okay, by the arms you cut on the line, and then just not too close to the edge where you sew, just cut it all around. And I thought at first that maybe I must make the shirt just a little bit longer again. I'm just scared it's going to be a bit too short. I can rather cut it shorter, but you can't make it longer. And there you are. So if you're finished, can maybe just in the corner, little, just to help it to. Okay. And then you just fold it in half, like always. and little triangle for, just a small triangle for the neck, and turn it to the right side out, of course. So, and like I always like to just iron it a bit, just to make it flatten, open the side. Obviously t-shirt you don't have to burn the ends or even give it a hem. T-shirt won't fray. And there's a little colorful shirt she's got now. Okay, now for the pants. So the pants, I've decided I'm going to use this colorful. That's why I use the orange, because it will fit in. So let's just see where I'm going to find a piece. I think maybe here would be fine for pants. So obviously I have to turn it inside out. Yeah, I think this one here. I don't want to do something here because I can, oh, there's another one there. I want to use that for maybe the teenage daughter or something. But yeah, like I said, make sure it stretches this way. So the pants is, you can put it on the line, yes, obviously. Okay. So now the pants, you want to in the, I'm going to let it in just by the arms, also straight with the arms, because you must keep in mind she's normally using a nappy, so the body of the pants must be a bit long. So I'm actually going to put it just where the arms start, and then as usual with your pen you go around the lines, or your pencil, or even this disappearing markers. So again, I'm just going to sew on the outside lines of the pants, and then of course the V, because I want the feet to be open like a pants. I want the feet to be open. So I'll be back. Okay, so there is the pants now all sewn. So I'm just gonna cut again, just next to the line, not too close to the threading, otherwise it's gonna just open up again. Okay, and on the inside of the leg, just open it up. Don't try to cut it, otherwise just maybe problems. So yeah. So there you are. So you just have to turn it inside out now. Okay, and like this again is the buff material, so I'm just gonna burn it again a bit with the lighter. You just don't fray. Please be careful when you work with a lighter. It's open flames, it's hot, and you can burn you or something. Okay, now that is done. Oh, look, this colorful, beautiful. Yeah, this must be the front side. That's colorful. Okay, as usual, I'm just going to iron it a bit. Make it nice and flat. And there our doll's got a new outfit. Isn't that beautiful? So let's try it on and see if it fits. That's usually the struggle now. And there you go, she's got a perfect little new outfit. I do like it. I actually made another one as well. This one I just leave the feet on, so it's closed pants, and then also with the little t-shirt, and I just used a piece of ribbon again there. So yeah, there is another 2 outfits for our little baby. So in the next video I'm going to make a jacket for her. So okay, see you next time then. Bye.